Hello everyone, welcome to this Solotica Ipanema versus the Solotica Topazio color contact comparison. So my left eye is the Ipanema and my right eye is the Topazio. Both of these lenses are some of the most brightest and dazzling in their hydrocore collection. As you can see, the Ipanema looks more green and has more of a yellow undertone. They both, however, appear to have the same electric blue limbal ring, which I love. And then the Topazio looks more of like a Kool-Aid blue color, kind of like ice glacier blue, or say the color of hot springs. Just that really fluorescent, vibrant blue color. In terms of brightness, I think the Topazio is a little bit brighter. Also, I highly recommend these lenses for people with very dark brown eyes. It will suit you amazingly. If you look up close, the Ipanema has that kind of blue-green color as a base, but then it's actually overlaid with another layer on top of yellow dots, and that's what gives it its yellow hue, and it really brings out the warmth. So if you have a warmer skin tone, the Ipanema will look really good on you. And then the Topazio has kind of more of a blue base, but then it's overlaid with white dots. And the white dots really bring out the blue and make the blue look a lot more vibrant. In natural daylight, they look a little bit more greeny, I find. So in cooler lighting, you'll see the green tones come out in both these lenses. Overall, I think these are both beautiful lenses. They're extremely pigmented, dramatic. In person, they're very bright and dramatic. I do want to stress that. That's why I highly recommend them for people with very dark brown eyes. You're going to get lots of coverage with these lenses. The pupil hole for both these lenses is a blunt, sharp pupil hole style. So if you prefer that style, both these lenses have that. Both of these lenses are available in prescription. They last a year, and you can get them from either lens.me or Vision Marketplace. My discount code for both is Danica10 to save you money. I'll link them below for you so you can compare pricing and shipping. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.